Hi guys! Today, we are going to tackle about how to resign as a pollution control officer. In resigning as PCO, it's either you have been reassigned to another task within the company or you will totally leave the company you are working for. Resigning as PCO is just easy as any other resignation from a specific task. The only difference is you will be informing not just your current employer but as well as EMB DNR Regional Office. Why resignation is important? Because when a company you are working for has violated any environmental compliance, your name will be at risk, which will make you disqualified as PCO, or you might not get accredited as PCO by EMB DNR again. In order to do that, all you need to do is follow these steps. Step 1. Create a letter informing the EMB under your jurisdiction that you will be or you have resigned as PCO from your current employer. Note that some PCO inform EMB right after they leave the company, while others inform EMB before resignation. Both scenarios, of course, have some advantage and disadvantages. The advantage of first one is you are already sure that you are no longer connected to the company you were working for. The disadvantage is you might forget to inform them after you resigned. On the other hand, the advantage of letter B is you can assure that you communicated your resignation to the EMB. Hence, you will no longer need to worry about your resignation. Its disadvantage is that if you do it in advance and some changes will happen, for instance, you will no longer want to resign, you need to create another letter immediately informing EMB to disregard your submitted resignation letter. Step 2. Review its content carefully, then print. Step 3. Let your immediate superior, HR, and/or president, whichever is applicable, to sign the drafted or printed letter. Step 4. Once signed, submit it to the EMB through email, ensuring that the recipient's email address is correct. Note that some regional offices still accept hard copy of the documents, but if you have the capability to do it online or through email, you may want to take the advantage of the current technology, as it will save you not just time but money and energy as well. Step 5. Wait for confirmation from EMB acknowledging the receipt of your email. If they did not reply, make sure that you will still have the record proving that you have submitted the resignation letter, such as screen capture of your email sent item, so that when such need arises, like during EMB inspections, it will be available. Before we end this video, I would like to share some side notes and tips as a way to thank you for reaching this part of the video. Number 1. If you again wish to apply as PCO to another company, market yourself during the interview but never disclose all environmental programs you have implemented from your previous employer. Treat your experience as valuable asset and never let companies exploit your knowledge for free. Number 2. On the other hand, in case of managing head resignation, another member of the top management shall undergo the mandatory 8-hour managing head training. But there's no need to inform EMB regarding the resignation of the managing head. There are some questions if the PCO can also be the managing head or vice versa at the same time. The answer is yes. But on the flip side, in case of resignation of PCO who happens to be the managing head, the owner of the company shall take over, but he or she immediately needs to attain the 40-hour PCO training. And there's more. As another way to help you, I have created a templated resignation letter. All you need to do is like this video, subscribe on this channel, like our Facebook page, and join our PCO Facebook group for more informative topics and discussion. The links are on the description below. And that's all for today's video. As I have mentioned, resigning as PCO is easy, but hopefully, you will continue your journey in environmental career, as this is fun and educational too. Thank you and see you again.